The world as it's commonly known has crumbled. Alliances that held since the end of World War II? Gone. All the traditional assumptions about who's on whose side? Gone. But you know, every crisis is an opportunity. Like the man said, chaos is a ladder.
Gotta wonder how Kincaid evaded all detection. His forces bypassed early warning systems, weren't revealed on ISR. How'd he do that?
Maybe they're pros. Maybe the same way you got inside my house.
They came in like ghosts and executed hundreds of decorated Brits. Hard bastards.
They got rolled. Even worse than I did. Georgia was a Pearl Harbor attack. Gibraltar was worse.
They had new tech, and you didn't tell us.
I did not withhold intel about Pax Tech.
None of the countries supporting Pax make shit that could mask that kind of entrance.
But we do, though. Don't we?
Were you here on orders? I wasn't able to make contact with you. Whose assignment is this?
What happened to trust me like I trust you? You know, like in Cairo. You don't trust us? That hurts, Mills.
Of course I trust you. That's why I sent you to Cairo. I knew you could handle little things like an impending civil war.
And the Egyptian president cutting a deal with Pax to help the army. And Fayek Salim selling intel to Pax.
I wasn't sure about Salim. That's why I needed you for confirmation.
Well, you guessed Georgia was a heist. Pax was there to steal something from us.
Yes. I had to find out if they were willing to use it against us. We had one good unit on the ground. Special Missions Unit 777 under Ibrahim Al-Khatib.
First time in Cairo?
Been here plenty. Never seen it like this.
I was warned you, right?
The Cairo's on the verge of burning.
Has been ever since Pax became Egypt's ally.
Won't be long before this place goes up.
My people have had Pax's boots on their throat long enough.
What happened to the army?
Pax came in to support us. Now, they're the ones calling the shots. Oh, Mar.
I can see why people are pissed.
It's a tinderbox. All you need is a spark. You Marsak dudes aren't a spark, are you?
Not our style. We ain't here to make things worse. We got our mission, getting Salim and the intel. In out clean.
I admire your confidence.
So the Salim guy's a pretty big deal around here, huh?
He blows smoke up his own ass. Ever since his company became the #1 supplier of biometrics around the globe. We haven't heard the end of it.
It looks like Pax ain't too happy about him either.
You make a deal with the devil.
And now he's our problem.
Explains why Mills put us together.
Salim was in contact a couple weeks back. He knew Pax were closing in, so he brokered some kind of deal.
Of course he did. Everything is transactional with men like that.
Keep a low profile, Dagger.
Guys?
Not our mission, Lopez. Our mission is big picture. Copy that? We get that intel, dominoes start to fall. But for now, it's all we can do. New route?
Plan B, Habibi.
Great.
Straight to the shitty part of the plan.
Why can we never do plan A?
Shooters, dismount.
I'll have eyes on you once the drone is up.
Thanks for the ride, friend.
See you at the evac. Try not to get in any trouble, yes?
You heard the man, no trouble. We infill through the sewer entrance just ahead. Let's move. M-Lock, you read?
Loud and clear, Dagger 1-3.
We're commencing infill now.
We'll report once we reach the target location, over.
Understood.
Dagger, NVG's off. Murph, the lock. On me.
All this disorder. We sure the asset's gonna be in one piece when we get there?
12-foot palace walls are a pretty good deterrent. Packs above, hold your fire.
Salim's playing a dangerous game.
All the public knows that his company's at the cutting edge.
The serious business happens in private financing packs, propping up puppet regimes, troop smuggling, you name it.
A real charmer.
Has. About Kincaid. What's the deal? You looked like you'd seen a ghost.
You heard of Farouk al-Bashir? Henry Blackburn?
Yeah. There's a whole module on it at the Academy.
Yeah, well, I was part of that operation. JSOC. The plausible deniability kind. Border of Iran and Syria. Clear.
The JSOC mission. What went down?
There was an SAS and Delta joint op, gathering intel on Iranian chemical weapons. Except there was a comm snafu. We got cornered by an IRG battalion and shit went down like you wouldn't believe.
Losses?
Too many. US blamed the UK and vice versa. It was a whole diplomatic clusterfuck.
And Kincaid?
Troop commander of the SAS unit. Dependable. The kind of guy you'd want by your side. He'd seen it all. Iraq, Afghanistan, Bosnia, Northern Ireland.
But?
Yeah. Listen, Kincaid went back for his troops and he didn't return. I made the call. Contact above.
That's Kitso in Gibraltar. Now we're losing control of Cairo. Makes me nervous.
We can handle a few protests. Look at that rifle in your hand. Your pack's fucking Amata.
It's not the civilians I'm worried about. The generals might have rolled over, but the rest?
Shh. Ahead.
You see anyone else out there with guns? The army won't do shit.
Clear.
Al-Khatib, we're through the sewers. Is your drone up?
Iowa, drone airborne. Confirming visual on you now.
Copy that.
Clear to move.
Dagger, advance.
Patrol incoming. On your right.
Get down. Stay low. Hold your fire. We don't want to start a firefight on the streets. We're good. Move.
So you left Kincaid behind?
He knew the risks, and I had my own team to save. I waited, but look, sometimes there are no good options. You get that, right, Murph?
Yeah. I get it.
عالم مجنون. القاهرة مولعة والمرتزيكا مستنيني أبيع له. عبطة.
Stay low. Pax patrol ahead. Take the next right. One of them is isolated.
They're to engage.
More packs around the corner.
Take him out. Quiet.
Fuck, they are still, man.
Stay alert. More nearby.
4 hostiles blocking your path.
Any way around?
Where the fuck is he? We've got to resume our patrol.
Not this time, my friend.
Dagger. On my mark.
You know what he's like when it comes to smokes. Like a dog chasing cars.
Sharpen up, Murphy. I need you focused.
Nicely done, cowboys. Clear ahead. Take the left and then turn right.
Cross the road, fast. Do not engage.
Al-Khatib, we've got a visual on the palace.
Copy that. Scouting now.
See what I'm seeing?
Packs are swarming all over this place.
Maybe agency surveillance ain't up to scratch.
No. It's not the first time they've slipped SAT cover.
The wall.
Al-Khatib, we're going over the wall. You see an entry point?
I see an easy climb. Out of sight. Mark on your attack.
Roger, moving.
Carter, I can't risk getting any closer. Pulling the drone away.
Appreciate the escort, Al-Khatib. All right, it's just us now. Let's hustle.
Careful. Weapons ready. Take him out.
Deadlock, copy.
Reading you, Carter. Status report.
Asset potentially compromised. Packs are in the AO.
What's your assessment?
We infill over the compound walls, cut the power, and secure the asset.
Carter, this is Mills. The asset situation is volatile.
How can you be sure, Mills?
You have to trust me like I trust you. Priority is securing the intel. Is that understood?
Roger that.
Packs in the courtyard. What's the play?
We go quiet. Let's head for the breaker. On me. Stay low. Use the shadows.
Breaker's down here. Loeb, Gecko, cover the entrance. Murph, let's dim the lights.
Copy.
Copy that.
Murph, you're up.
On it. Cutting power in 3, 2...
Weapons free, Dagger. Let's go secure the asset.
Not long before the backup kicked in.
You heard the man. No time to lose. Sweep the building hard and fast.
Shock and fucking awe.
Need patching up!
You're on your own after this one.
Appreciate it! Threat neutralized. Ammo crate, load up.
Load up, drop ammo.
said if we don't push on, this floor's clear. Sweep upstairs. Move! Got a grenade here. Start checking rooms. He's gotta be here somewhere. Reloading! This room.
Unlock door.
Ready.
Ammo over there.
Room clear? Anything?
Nada.
مين هنا؟ مين اخبرته؟
We need to move.
Use that ammo to resupply.
Nothing changes. Push on. Noise came from the end of the corridor. Move.
Deadbolt.
Clear right.
Clear.
Clear left!
Clear. Let's get to work.
Oh, jeez.
Our guy?
Yeah. Damn it. It's Salim.
Talk to me, Lopez.
Dude's a mess. I think the gunshot must have hit her artery.
Is he gonna make it?
Guys, we got 4 dead bodies already. We're gonna have 4 more if we don't pick up the pace.
There's nothing I can do for him.
We need that intel. Salim. Mills sent us. We're friendlies.
Mills. She promised me.
I'm sorry. We need that intel.
I trusted her.
The intel, Salim.
Okay, buddy, you are not okay.
What's a holdup, boys?
Salim. Salim.
This day could not get any worse if it tried.
It's the thumb.
What?
He's a tech guru.
Check it.
We're gonna have company real soon.
Yeah. Think we got something.
RFID implant.
Holy smoke.
We need it.
Paz.
Murphy, the thumb.
Whatever you're doing, do it fast!
Join the Marines, they said. You'll see the world, they said.
Here we go! Game time, boys!
Sorry, Salim.
Gonna haul ass. Head to the exfil.
Fire spreading!
Cover me! I'm reloading!
Exit through the garden.
Changing meds!
Enemy in cover.
This isn't right.
Cover! Reloading! Cover me! Heavy gunner eliminated! MG down! Provide cover fire! Reloading! Shotgun! Oscar Mike! Engage!
Unable to execute.
Alka team, you read?
Roger, Dagger. Bax's comms are blazing.
We're coming out hot. That extraction team ready?
Affirmative. En route to the souk. Head to the main event.
The market's still the exfil. We stick to the plan.
Bird in the sky!
I see it. Maybe it's ground control. Maybe it is. Bird, take point. Move. Use the buildings as cover. Through here. Move!
Civilians up ahead.
Guess not all of them are in the streets.
Yeah, don't blame him. Cairo's on a knife's edge. Keep moving. We've brought enough bad luck to the city tonight.
This op has been so messed up.
We've been dealt shit cards all night. All we can do is play them.
This is Hemlock. Sit rep.
We've secured the intel, moving to the exfil now. Over.
And Salim?
Op went loud. The asset didn't make it.
All that matters is the intel bag at 1-3. Hemlock, out.
That's the tower. We're almost there, Dagger. Nicely done, Murph. This hasn't been easy.
We're at the souk.
The van is in position. Signaling my team now. Make it fast.
Hustle. Take cover!
Murphy, over here.
Contact!
Engaging! Move!
way! Through the building!
Al-Khatib, the exfil.
Your losses will be felt.
Anyone else today? Need a new link up. Moving through the souk under heavy fire.
There's the plaza. Don't look south.
Plaza, due south. Move.
Weapon secure! In position! To the right! In here! Fast!
Weapon here! Helo's bugging out.
Finally, some good news.
Exfil's just ahead. Dagger actual on approach. Sit rep Al-Khatib.
En route to pickup.
Hold up there!
The rear!
Good. Talk to me.
Rooftop!
Check the intel. Hey, stay back! That's an order! No! Gecko!
Hostile down!
Lopez!
Feels like I got hit in the chest by a sledgehammer.
Yeah, well, next time, do as you're told, Marine. Al-Khatib, where the fuck is our exfil?
Closing in, brother.
Gecko, help me with Lopez. Murphy's stick on our sticks. On your feet, Marine. Ammo crate, load up.
Contact! Engaging! Need a reload!
Grenade! Take cover! Ammo over there.
Get to cover! Target behind cover. Found something.
Motherfuckers!
Damn close. Anyone hit?
I'm good.
Same here.
Nothing new. Al-Khatib, ETA, 5 mics.
Reloading.
Sniper neutralized.
Clean kill.
Reloading.
Moving!
10 o'clock. MG, 50 meters.
MG down.
Tossing incendiary! Cover me! Reloading!
Up high!
Sniper neutralized! Incendiary out!
Threat neutralized.
20 meters!
Vehicles disabled!
On the move! Front, shotgun, close!
Dagger, gunship back inbound.
Gecko, help me move Lopez now!
Into that building, move!
Looks like a munition stash here. See if there's something you can use against that helo. Gecko, get Lopez upstairs.
Roger!
Roger that.
Found a launcher! No guidance, though.
Make it work, Murph. Go light that bird up. We're holed up in a two-story building back of the plaza.
Ammo crate, resupply.
Hit it when I draw its fire.
Hit it again!
Contact! Packs entering the plaza.
Sniper neutralized!
Bird is coming back! Cover, take your shot! Wait until it's focused on me!
Hit it while it hovers. Take it out, Murph! Wait for it to hover. Solid hit! Bring it down!
Murphy, Pax is closing in. Far side.
Covering! Murphy, now's your chance!
Reloading! Cover me!
Building's coming down! Helo's circling back!
Light up! Now! All guns fire!
Woo! I got him!
Helo's down!
Finally.
Marines, move!
Covering!
Gecko, we are leaving!
Hey, everybody in! Go, go, go! Looks like you're the spark after all, Barca.
You good, Lopez?
Tell me you still got that intel, Lope. Yeah, I got it. What's next, Harry?